Hello everyone, welcome in this class. Today we will start our fifth chapter, that is Greenland, world's chilliest nation. So today we will discuss about Greenland, which is located in North Frigid Zone, and under this chapter we will discuss about the geographical location of Greenland, climatic condition of the country, and we'll see how people of Greenland they survive in such a cold climate. What type of vegetations are found there, what type of animals are found there, how they manage their livelihood in such a cold area. So all these things we'll discuss under this chapter. So let's see.
Greenland is the world's largest island country lying in North Atlantic Ocean. 80% of the island is covered by ice, and it is located in the North America continent. Greenland is situated in the frigid zone. I hope you all have remembered the 3 zones that we studied in our previous chapter. What were those 3 zones? First one is frigid zone, that is located in the polar region, North Pole and South Pole. Then torrid zone, then temperate zone. Okay. Torrid zone, it is located around the equator area, and temperate zone, it comes between torrid zone and frigid zone. Clear? This zone, that means frigid zone, is in between 66.5 degree north and 0 degree north, that is North Pole. There are some other countries whose northern parts lies in this zone. Okay, not only Greenland, there are many other countries whose northern parts lies in the frigid zone, like upper half of Alaska, USA, northern parts of Canada, Norway, Sweden, and northern strip of Russia. And these regions, it is known as tundra region. Also, these all countries, the part of all these countries also comes under frigid zone. Okay. So this is about the northern frigid zone. There is a frigid zone between 66.5 degrees south and 0 degrees south, that is South Pole as well. And there only Antarctica is in that frigid zone, which has no permanent human habitation except for the scientists who visit it. Okay, so human habitation is not found in Antarctica region, and that means in southern frigid zone. Okay. Greenland provides us very interesting study of the adaptation of human being according to the geographical location and the climatic conditions. Okay, so here we will see how people live there, how they adjust in that type of climate, in that type of geographical location. Okay. The sun's rays are very slant on this region, which hardly provide any warmth. Summers are totally absent there. You will not get summer season like we get in our country. And winters cannot be compared to any season. You can't compare winter, the temperature of winter, with our country's winter or any other country's winter, because the temperature goes around minus 23 degrees Celsius in winters, and you will you will record maximum 10 degrees Celsius and minimum minus 23 degrees Celsius temperature in winters. So you just imagine how much cold will be there if the temperature goes in minus, because we know that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, but their temperature goes around minus 23 degrees Celsius. Just imagine how much cold will be there in that region. Okay, the northern part of the country is covered with ice sheets all around the year, and ice sheets are as thick as 3 kilometers at some places. Very thick ice sheets are found in those regions. Okay, the Jacobson Glacier, often moving 30 meter a day, is among the world's fastest glaciers. The ice-free land area occupies the country's coastal areas and consists largely of highlands. So the coastal regions are free of iceland, okay, ice-free area. Then mountain chains parallel to the island's east and west coast. These areas are free from ice. Clear? The country does not have day and night as we have in our country. The days may as long as 18 weeks in the northern part of the country, and same is true for night as well. So as in our country we have a day for 12 hour or 12 or 13 hour, or night for next 12 or 13 hour. Okay, so this type of timing, the timing for day and night, you will not get in polar regions. Okay, here days continues for 18 weeks, and same with night also continues for 18 weeks. The sun does not travel from east to west as it does in our country. Rather, it hangs above the horizon and then set in the same place. Okay. Here, the vegetation is characterized as tundra vegetation. Here, you will not get grasses, plants, trees like our country. Okay, here you will get cotton grasses, very small grasses, and lichens. It is also a type of small plant. Okay, ice-free areas is almost without trees. You can get only small plants in that region. Okay, now coming to the animals, wildlife, polar bears, musk oxen, reindeer, arctic foxes, snow hares, and lemmings are found on the island. Okay, and seals and whales are found in surrounding waters. Other fishes from the ocean are cod, salmon, etc. Okay, so these are about the wildlife animals and water animals like fishes. Okay, so this type of animals and fishes are found in polar region. And the population of Greenland is very less, and you will get people just around the coastal area. They are settled nearby the coastal areas. Okay. Now we will discuss about our next topic, living of the people affected by the climate conditions. Okay, so agriculture is possible in about 1% of Greenland's total area. In the southern ice-free region, hay and grass, garden vegetables are the only crops which are grown there. Most of the ice-free land is pasture for sheep and reindeers, which are raised for meat and wool, wool and milk also. Then hunting is still important in the northern regions where seals, foxes, and polar bears are caught for their meat and plates. Okay, for their skins. However, the hunting of these animals has come down drastically for ecological reason. The economy is based on the fishing of coats, plovers, and other marine life, their smoking and canning. Zinc and lead are the principal ore mine. Okay, so metal like ores like zinc and lead is available in the Greenland. Okay, dresses have to be extra warm and protective against high speedy cold winds. So there people use dresses that can protect them from high speedy cold winds. Therefore, it is natural that dresses has to be made of animal fur. Men and women wear similar dresses. Shoes are long and even children must wear them. Homes are now made of wood with specially designed provisions for warming them. Earlier, people used to live in tents made of reindeer huts or in igloo made of ice blocks. Even now, sometimes people make igloos on temporary basis, and it is made of ice blocks. These have special entrance of tunnel shape to keep winds out and minimize heat loss. Okay, hunting equipments are now modern rifles and guns. Harpoons and kayaks are mostly the historical importance. Okay, however, some from the harpoons is still used to drag out large fish from water. So now also they use historical these tools like harpoons and kayaks for their hunting and fishing purpose. In Greenland, people use sledges driven by husky dogs and reindeers for their transportation purpose, for moving from one place to another place. In some cases, huskies and reindeers are still used, but generally these have been replaced by motorized sledges. Now they are using motorized sledges for their fast movement. Population is mainly made up of native Greenlanders, and about 16% are settlers and rest are tourists. The Greenlanders are Inuit or Eskimos. So that people who live there are known as Eskimos. Their language is Inupiaq and its various dialects. Roads in Greenland are limited to short stretches of ice-free coastal areas, and sleds are used inland. Shipping and air services are the principal transportation because there in roadways many problems comes because every time the snowfall happens and the land covers with snow. So there in that region in Greenland, This air service and shipping waterways are principal way of transport. It has very efficient telecommunication network. Okay, and in Greenland is with Holland, but it has been granted home rule. But Dutch support has been very helpful in establishing educational efforts, health facilities, and social schemes. Okay, and the capital of Greenland is Nuuk. Clear? So this is all about our chapter Greenland. Clear? I hope you all have understood well, and if you have any problem you can consult with me. Thank you.